I am seeing some of these dealerships advertising in Facebook groups now that are saying, we're going to sell you the car at MSRP, but you must finance with us. Can they do that? I don't know the legality of that. I'm not going to claim that I do. But what I would do, and what I did when I sold vehicles, Toyotas, Volkswagens, in Amherst, New York, I would say to the customer, you can just refinance it. I wouldn't tell finance that. I would just say, once you get the first statement, refinance it through your bank. Pay it off if you just wanted to pay cash. Why did I do that? Because I made 6% on the back end. So if a customer wanted to pay cash, but we converted them to finance, and the dealership made $2,200 in reserve, I would get 6% of that. But one of the final straws for me leaving local car dealership was the fact that they raised the bar to get that 6% so high it was very difficult to reach, and that was one of the final straws. But if a dealership tells you you have to finance with them to buy the car at MSRP, I would still suggest you call me, because I can walk you through a few questions. I might not even charge you, depending on how long it takes. But before you even get to that point, you should hire me to have you help through that purchase, because even if I can't save you money and all I do is help you find a loan to refinance, I want to help you. So please let me know how I can help you, no matter where you live. Thank you.